So I think it's very important at the end of the day to figure out what is best for organization, the talent within an organization. Especially in financial services, a lot of the talents come in with a legacy experience in terms of what they have built over a period of time. So given that there are new technologies, new capabilities, new components that are coming up, couple of key areas that we are really focusing on is about spending time and money and effort in upskilling talent. Upskilling talent means in terms of whether it is from a execution perspective, in terms of looking from a waterfall to an agile, and also in terms of the new capabilities around AI. How do you use AI? How do you use some of the capabilities and what competency you need to build? A lot of people understand the domain. They don't understand how to use the data associated with the domain to create the capability. So I think today we're investing. One needs to provide that, I would say, runway to invest, upskill the capabilities in terms of what are some of the nuances around utilization of AI, and then give them the opportunity to mature themselves. So today there is a dedicated program that is happening as a part of their yearly KPI to pick up individual areas. Not everyone needs to know Gen AI, but there are data side of the story in terms of the ML side of the story. So we give people the option to say, what do you want to cross learn or upskill? And then we track that and we feed them. So we have a lot of programs that we conduct to be able to help them choose what best they want to upskill themselves with and measure the outcomes. That's very important, because if you're spending money and helping them, is how do you really measure the quality of training and the ability for them to adapt and adopt it into their daily life with it. That's how I look at it. This is a very, very important aspect, because at the end of the day, one needs to understand that what is key in a bank. In a banking sector, it is about trust. And now we are doing a lot of digitization. And why do we do it? Because we want to give experience and we want to expand scale. Now, when you look at that and you're looking at the digital capabilities, it is important, given the way the whole problem statements are emerging from a cyber capability, cyber issues. It is very important in these kind of situations to be able to align to what the regulator is starting to mature and force every organization to create their IT maturity or tech maturity. So a lot of these master directions as well as compliance expectations are in that direction. Now for that, it is very important that every individual who is associated with enabling tech understands the risk associated with that, and more importantly understands how to manage these risks as a part of a standard BAU governance process, and ensure that there is a compliance to it. It is not to be taken as a policing, but it has to be taken more as an opportunity to ensure that while you drive experience, you are also protecting the data and hence improving the trust that the customer has on a financial institution. And hence the compliance, the associated risk management is very, very key for it. I think there, over time, I can see that the event has matured itself in terms of the kind of dialogues one has, the kind of networking that it enables, and the kind of topics that one focuses on. I think the combination of these three is quite enriching. You have to come here with an open mind, because you want to be seeing a lot more innovations, being early stage innovations, mid stage innovations. You're going to have a lot of cross section of partners with whom you can talk to, and more importantly, very good sessions. And some of the key sessions being held by non-techies were very interesting in the past, and this is a very good opportunity for us to connect also. And last but not the least, come together as a team of CIOs along with partners, which is, we do get the break. Fantastic.